Wagwan everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Patrick and this is the Big Up Jamaica channel. Here we talk about all things Jamaica. We will discuss everything from headline news, entertainment, history, music, sports, culture and more. So make sure you subscribe so you can keep up to date with all things Jamaica. Today's video will be about the Indian influence on Jamaican food. Jamaican curry is bold, spicy, and unforgettable. But did you know its roots trace all the way back to India? Today we're diving into how Indian immigrants brought their spices and traditions to Jamaica, and how that influence created one of the island's most beloved flavors. After the abolition of slavery in the 1830s, Jamaica faced a labor shortage. To fill that gap, thousands of Indian indentured workers were brought to the island between 1845 and 1917. They carried with them not just their culture but their food, most importantly, their spices. These spices, unfamiliar to Jamaicans at the time, would soon transform the local cuisine. Indian curry powders mixed with African cooking styles, European influences, and local Jamaican ingredients. The word curry itself comes from the Tamil word kari, meaning sauce. In India, each household had its own unique spice blend. When Indians came to Jamaica, they adjusted these blends to what was available on the island. Unlike Indian curries that use fresh ground spices, Jamaican curry relies heavily on pre-mixed curry powder, usually with a strong emphasis on turmeric, giving dishes that signature golden color. Over time, Jamaican cooks adapted Indian curry to local tastes, making it hotter, spicier and perfect alongside rice and peas, roti or festival bread. Curry goat, a Jamaican classic, is the best example of this fusion. Originally an Indian dish, it became a staple at Jamaican weddings, parties, and Sunday dinners. Other Indo-Jamaican contributions include roti dal and doubles, foods that are still enjoyed across the island today. The Indian influence didn't replace Jamaican food, it blended into it, creating something entirely new. Today, Jamaican curry is a global sensation, served in restaurants from New York to London. And while the taste is uniquely Jamaican, its heart is undeniably Indian. It's a delicious reminder that food is history on a plate, a story of migration, adaptation, and unity. So the next time you enjoy a plate of curry goat or curry chicken, remember you're tasting centuries of culture and history, seasoned with the spice of India and the soul of Jamaica. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, big up yourself and walk good. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you check out the playlists section of my channel. There you will find all my videos conveniently arranged by the various genres such as history, true crime, music, culture, tourism, etc. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be instantly notified for new videos on all things Jamaica. See you on the next one.